Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix MS Outlook not responding error. If you've been experiencing freezing or unresponsiveness in Outlook, this method will help resolve the issue by repairing the application without losing your data. Let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step is important because you want to confirm that the error is actually occurring before proceeding with the fix. If Outlook is freezing or not responding at this stage, you'll know the repair process is necessary. Once your email has been loaded, or if you've confirmed the not responding issue, we'll begin fixing it by accessing your Apps and Features menu. Press your Windows key on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. This is Windows' built-in tool for managing all installed software on your computer, and it's where we can repair Outlook without needing to reinstall it completely. Once your Apps and Features window has opened, you'll directly land on the software list installed on your computer. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the window and type in Outlook. This will filter the list to show only Outlook-related applications. Click on the result that appears, and you'll notice an Advanced Options menu will appear at the bottom. Click on it to proceed. Now scroll down until you find the Reset section. This is where the repair options live. From here, you'll see the repair option. Click on it to repair your MS Outlook not responding error. This process clears up corrupted settings and gives you a fresh install that will prevent your MS Outlook from not responding. The repair tool works by fixing damaged files and resetting configurations without deleting your emails, contacts, or other important data. The repair process may take a few moments to complete, so be patient while Windows works through the necessary fixes. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the repair is in progress. Once the repair is complete, close the Apps and Features window and reopen Microsoft Outlook. You should notice that the not responding error is now fixed and your application runs smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.